routine. This is a routine every morning. He always come to me and cry, and then if I don't pick him up, he will just keep crying. So I always gonna pick him up and put him in my arms, and it's always kneading in my armpits and then lie down like that. Yeah, that's him every morning. It's just like a baby. Good afternoon, guys. I just vlog. It's late already, but I'm so sleepy. My eyes is sore. I just wanna go to sleep. I just wanna take a nap. I don't know if I watch this show. I watched this show named Being Human, and I think I'll watch it later. This bubbles is for really a cat, bouncy bubbles. Hi guys, did you see that? I'm playing with the cat, especially Hubs. He's the one who's playing with the bubbles. And what happened is, get mad it's just the bubbles, or it just mad at me. I don't know, maybe because whenever every time the bubbles blow up, it's like a splash in his face, like it's water, and he hates water. I think all cats hate water, but the thing is, it's just so funny when he's like. Hi guys, good evening. It's almost 11 o'clock already, and my husband just got home from work, so we're ready to go to bed. And I guess I'll see you tomorrow again. And thank you again for watching my vlog. And good night.
Good morning. What the heck? I smell something here again. Yeah, I just get up and I wear still the same thing, but I don't wear this when I go to bed. I just like wear it in the day. I wear it yesterday, I wear it today, and then that's it. So right now I'm just making some smoothie for my husband. Yeah. What I'm going to do smoothie. Because he likes to bring a smoothie to work, and that's the only thing I can give him. Guys, so okay, I'm just gonna toast my bread and make smoothie for him, having coffee. It's my breakfast. Hello. Yeah, I just changed the tablecloth and washed the old one because there's a lot of stain in it, so I just got so right there. And right now I don't know what else I'm going to do. This is the turn house. This is the house. Yeah, sure. and that box is made to be sent to the Philippines. Yeah, and this is the massage chair. Anyway, guys.
Oh, but look.
We're making a reservation for the wedding in August. Okay, and now what? Tell me.
Oh, God. Now what?
I'm asking you.
I don't know what.
What's going on with the
iPad, let's see what they have on their registry crap.
no, I'm talking about the hotel first.
Oh, a suite.
Like it's a one room.
It's 2 rooms. It's one room and a living room with a hallway in between. One room has 2 beds in it.
It's weird that you told me Andrea is making. They have a reservation
They
already.
do. She didn't find it. I don't know why. I know Angelo made it. He told me. He was the one who told me the price.
I am too lazy to edit my video. I don't know, guys. Just my head, especially in this side, it's hurt every time I pull my hair. It's just like the half of my face, the half of my head, it's numb, it's hurt, and I don't understand. Like I do like this, it's hurt. Anyway, we booked already the hotel because we're going to Maryland this coming August. We're going to attend a wedding. Oh, my husband is home because it's Monday, it's his day off, and we're just spending time here.
Me of you tonight till tomorrow. I'll be holding you tight. And that's how I feel right now. Singing and singing and singing and singing while my husband is peeing. I've been dreaming of you tonight till tomorrow. I'll be holding you tight. I'll be in the bathroom, my hubby. You done? Yeah. Yeah, I'm done. Yeah, I'm done. Yeah. It's hot outside. It's hot outside. I'm dreaming of you tonight. I feel like singing. I feel like singing. Let me check my hand. Look at me. It smells yummy. honey, I love you, baby. Hi guys, we just came out from my husband's appointment. Yeah, and then it takes forever. Sorry, it takes forever to be in doctor's room. We wait for like 30 minutes, right? We wait for like 30 minutes, and then inside we wait another 30 minutes.
This area, he takes less patients. He wants to give more time to the patients. I like that about him. Actually, I always like everything about him since we met him in the hospital. I like he cares about the people, not just.
Yeah, and we're going to a happy place. CVS. It's heaven over there. Yeah, makeup. Look for makeup even I don't get anything. It's just nice to look around. And after this, we're going home. Pick up some Carvel first, and then pizza. That's what we're gonna have for dinner. I don't wanna cook. It's too late. It's already almost 5 o'clock to cook for dinner. So pizza it is. Huh?
That Mercedes is for sale.
Expensive.
It was an ugly Mercedes.
If you get expensive car, why don't you just get a nice one, an ugly one? And after that, we're heading to New Jersey. New York to Jersey.
Close to the house. No.
On the way home, I don't pick up anything because it's expensive. Everything is expensive, and
Should have next door to Trader Joe's.
I have, huh?
Should have got them chocolate pretzels. They would love those.
Oh
suckers.
yeah, that's what I'm planning to do, but we don't have time for
They
that.
really like those.
Yeah, we don't have time for
And
that.
they come in dark and milk, of course. Dark is better, but you like milk.
We like dark. My family is different. I like milk. They like dark.
They're smarter.
So we're looking for chocolate because the chocolate is very expensive. So that's why, you know, not buying, just not on sale, to send to the Philippines. And what else? Yeah, we're done. I don't pick anything up. I found a lot of makeup, but they're crazy money. Even it's not really crazy, okay, because it's a drugstore brand. And right, hon?
Say something. I'm still surprised you didn't say nothing about how dry and flaky my ears are.
Maybe it's normal, hon.
It's not normal, huh? It's for
on-
rent.
Yeah, for less medical. So pizza, and shake.
I'll have to call Mom. Tell her we're gonna get pizza. Is that okay with her? What's gonna happen?
Good night, guys. It's already 12:30 in the morning. I mean, yeah, it's very late already. We just get home from New Jersey, and it's been a long, crazy drive because my husband is very tired, and I keep yelling at him. You know, I do it intentionally that he will like respond, because he keep closing his eyes while he's driving, and it's freaked me out. Like, it's scary. Like, I don't know, I'm nervous because it happens a lot of times that he's driving and he's closing his eyes, and we're like zigzag. And you know, when you're in the turnpike of New Jersey, there's a lot of long, huge truck, delivery truck. So it's just scary, you know. There's a lot of accident happening there. God forbid, you know, knock the wood, and yeah. Thank God we're home, safe and sound, and yeah, I'm trying just to go to sleep now because it's just tiring. And anyway, guys, thank you for watching my vlog, and I hope to see you next time. Bye bye.